A metal gift or tool can look great on day one and still feel forgettable. The difference is often in the details. Precision laser engraving for metal turns a plain surface into something personal, professional, and built to last. Whether you're customizing a gift, labeling a work item, or adding a clean branded mark to a product, metal is one of the most satisfying materials to personalize because it already carries a sense of durability and value. When the engraving is done well, that feeling gets even stronger. A name on a tumbler, initials on a pocket tool, a title on a medical accessory, or a permanent mark on industrial hardware all send the same message. This item was chosen with purpose. Why metal engraving stands out. Some personalized products are mostly decorative. Metal engraving is different because it brings together style and function. The result is not just customized for the moment. It is made to stay useful through daily handling, travel, storage, and repeat use. That matters for gift shoppers who want something more meaningful than a generic item off the shelf. It also matters for professionals who need clear identification on the products they carry every day. A laser engraved item feels intentional because the customization is part of the product itself, not something added as an afterthought. The visual effect also has a cleaner, more refined look than many other marking methods. Depending on the metal and finish, engraving can create high contrast, subtle tonal variation, or a sleek, understated mark. That flexibility is a big reason metal works so well across so many categories, from wedding gifts to work gear. How precision laser engraving for metal works. At its simplest, laser engraving uses focused light to mark the surface of the metal with control that is difficult to match by hand. The machine follows a digital design and applies the engraving exactly where it needs to go. That allows for crisp names, logos, monograms, dates, and even more detailed artwork when the material supports it.